I'm out here with my dog right now. She's doing this. I do this. Don't be doing this. Don't be doing this. Don't be doing this. Don't be doing this. What's up, guys? Tanner Slime from BIKE Builds here. Thank you so much for 110 subscribers. We were going to make a 50 subscriber special and then up and up and up, but I got grounded, as that's why I haven't been uploading a lot of videos, you know. So I didn't have my phone for like all summer. I just got it back a week ago. So videos are going to be coming to y'all. Yeah. The Coleman front tire's flat, so pop. It's not really like popped, I don't know. It's just, well, it is popped because air had to get out some way, but it's like really flat. Yeah, Elijah's dad can put on the Coleman tire, so we gotta get that. The Kawasaki, its carburetor has, it's like carburetor, the gasket in between the bowl and just the rest of the carburetor is all jacked up, so we gotta get a new one of those. Or I'm not getting that, I'm just getting a whole new carburetor. So yeah, I will have to get that. But, as y'all know, the pocket bike tire popped like 8 months ago, 8 or 9 months ago. So I haven't ridden it since, sadly. And today, look at what came in the mail. It didn't take 8 months to deliver. We just ordered it like a week ago. Look at this. You know, all that white stuff on the other side is like the address and everything, so I can't show that. But, well, that was weird. My voice went like up and down. We are going to open this, check it out, and hopefully get it on the pocket bike today. Ooh, I'm so excited. Here we go. Now, as I'm opening this, I definitely don't want to poke anything. So, we're just going to first make a tiny, tiny hole. There we go. Very small hole. Let's go ahead. So, if y'all don't know, this is a JC Moto tire. If you go on Amazon, look up 110, it's like 110, then a dash, then 50, 110, and then the line thing that goes like that, and then 50, and then a dash, and then 6.5. Why am I saying this? I can easily just show y'all. I don't know if it's going to focus. This is what I was talking about. 110, 50, 6.5. Go on Amazon, look that up. And then this right here is the most rated tire I could find on Amazon. Here, I gotta let my dog out. Or in, I guess. Hey, Julia, don't be doing this. Okay, she's my Julia. So, just look up 110, 50, 6.5 JC Moto tire, and you'll find this exact one. But don't look that up yet, because I'm going to be doing the review on how good this one is. Because the last one of these we got, it blew. Like, just straight up blew. So, really hoping it don't do that. I mean, it feels really good. I can't remember if the other one felt this good. I don't know. Inner tube, of course. And with the inner tube and the tire, it was just $45. It had like 76 reviews, and it was like a 4.5 star. So, really nice. I think it was just a, like, freak accident that it blew last time. I mean, I think I showed y'all, but I'm not too sure. It literally blew up. Like, from here, imagine, to here was just, like, this giant, like, ripped open. Crazy. But this one, I cannot even imagine that happening with this one. I'm feeling it. Everything feels really nice, well made. Here's what the tread looks like. Really fine. Can't wait to be shredding down the road. You already know what I'm saying. Ooh, look at that. Just on the back of the pocket bag. Can't wait. Looking really nice. So, yep. Looking really good. Here's what the inner tube looks like. And don't assume that the tire, this one, because it said inner tube plus tire. But if you're ordering a tire like this, don't always assume that the inner tube is going to come with it, unless it says that it's going to come with it. Because if it just says tire, then you're probably just going to get the tire. Always, when you're opening something like this, be careful that the knife, first off, that you don't cut yourself. Second off, that you don't hit the tire, because then you just screwed up big time. If you don't have one of these, definitely should spend the money and get one. Very helpful. I'm gonna get the tools out. See y'all right back. Yo, what's up? Got the tool. I know from experience that, or no, not from experience. I know from videos that these, or just any bolt on a lot of pocket bikes, well, depending on the brand, will strip very easily. So you have to be careful. Very careful. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Y'all know, you just got to take this off and this off. So I'll see y'all when those are off. So this is off. And now we have to take off this. And the same thing on the other side. And when you take it off, though, you have to have a, whatchamacallit? Oh, yeah, you got to have both of these, like 2 tools on both sides. And then, yeah, kind of hard to explain, but I'll show y'all. You gotta look here, and you gotta look right here. So, you just hold one in place while you twist the other. Oh my gosh. There we go. Bam. So then once one side's off, pretty sure that's what the piece goes on. It looks like this, but as you see, it goes on with that side like that. So I'm just gonna set this over here now. There we go. Whoa. Okay, so this just fell off. Alright, I'll explain what that is in a second when I get this off. There we go. Oh, I'm so stupid. I just had to pull it. I was like, why is it so loose? Okay. Okay. So, here. In case you're wondering how it went on, obviously here's the disc, and here's the sprocket. So, what you do is, here's that thing I first took off. Take that off, you know, or put it back on, what I'm talking about. That goes off. Then this thing is out right here, you know, like that's closest in. And then in between there's this thing, and same on the other side. So that just goes on. And so I'm going to go ahead and get these out. And then on this side, you can literally just pull it out. And this will come out with it. This little thing, which is just like the same thing. So on the other side. Okay, so we got it off. I just cut it off. And I think the reason this one blew up so bad is that usually tires will have like the metal. There's like this metal thing inside. That like go like metal wire. You can see when we were struggling in the last time to get it off. It was just really hard because of the metal, but this one doesn't have it, which would make sense. I mean, this thing got worn down. I don't know if they just didn't put it in, or I'm really hoping, because we bought the same type of tire, and I'm hoping that the next one, it does have the same tread. I just looked at the other one, but I'm hoping the next one doesn't do this. What in the heck? Oh, don't chase me. Oh. What's up, guys? Back at it again. The next day, we are out here, and the tires all pumped up, so I'll show you all that. And just do exactly, if you're putting on a tire, because I don't want this video to be long, you know, because I know people like shorter videos. So, if you're putting on a tire, then just put it on, like, the way you took it off. So, I'm not going to show y'all me putting it on. Also, because I don't want to screw up and I got to be viewing the next videos. Because it's been like a year since I've ridden this. I'm not screwing up the tire. So, yes. Anyway, let me show you the tire. And, yeah. Let's get it on the bike. And next time I see y'all after I show you the tire, we'll be on the bike. I'm so excited. Here's what the tire looks like. Do a little Okay, guys, so we have everything on except for the chain guard. I think that's what that's called. Just because if there's something else that we need to fix, I don't want to have to take that off again. So I'm gonna set the phone up and I'm gonna try and just ride forward. And if I can ride forward, it's a success to me. First drive in a year. A few moments later. Crap. Its carburetor definitely is clean. Look at this dude. Watch out, Carter. I'm making it easy for you. Gotta let the engine warm up. It just needs the carburetor cleaning, but it's running really good, honestly. Boy, if you don't get your popsicle built body looking. Hey guys, what's up? It's the next day, and I know my hair looks crazy, but I don't really care. But yeah, thank you so much for watching if you made it this far in the video. And if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, comment, share our videos. I mean, I can't stress it enough. We made 20,000 views on our most popular video, and we're at 110 or I think 111 subscribers now. So thank you so much for all the support, and we're getting pretty big. And if you're new to the channel, I'm Tanner Slane, and we have Elijah McDonald and Jeremiah Parsons, and we're all the three creators of Bama Builds. And yeah, stay tuned for more riding videos and just more videos in general. And peace out, and I'll see you all in the next video.